Hello, my name is Arshad,
My name is Edris.
My name's Rafi.
and we chose to make a puzzle game for our project. So the features of our website, we have animations throughout the website. We have sounds when you start playing with the puzzle or choosing a different puzzle. The website is responsive, so it's compatible with smaller screens, and it has a navigation on the left for a better user experience. So animation buttons, we have different animated buttons like start game button, which disappears when the user starts the game, and also button at the bottom called end game when you after you click start game. We have start buttons when you the start buttons change their styling and the colors when you click on them or when you hover on them. And here's the pseudocode for the button before and after.
And next we have the change image feature. So this slide is showing you the change image button on our website, which changes the image. And it's animated too. And it shows you a bunch of images you can select. So this is our code for our change image function. So basically this function uses JavaScript to hide the images once you select the change image button, and it changes and it hides the
So we
image.
actually used the DOM method to get the element called myDiv from here. And what it does is get that element and sets the display to show, because if it's set to none, it will hide it. And when the user clicks on the change image, it will set the display back to show so you can see the images.
And next we have a navigation bar. So this slide is showing you how our navigation bar is animated. Whenever you hover over it, it shows you an animation and it leads to our home page, our PowerPoint, and our video on YouTube. And this is our pseudocode for our navigation bar. So we use CSS to show how the navigation bar animates when you hover over the actual div. And next we have a timer function on our page. So once you start the game, a timer actually starts that records how long you've been playing.
Yeah, and it also starts playing music when you click on that.
Yep. And so this is our function for our timer function. So we created a function called start timer that converts minutes and seconds and displays it onto HTML using JavaScript.
Also, our website is mobile friendly, which means that you can use it on smaller devices. It is responsive, so it can change based on the pixels on the screen. And in the next slide, it shows that we use the media tag, where if the screen is below 1,000 pixels, it will set some of the stuff that we set for it right here. So it will change the width of the screen to like 40%. It also changes the font size so it can better fit on a smaller screen.
Okay, let's go to the live demo. All right, so this is our puzzle game. Here's the left what's called navigation. If you click change image, it plays a sound, and then you have different puzzles to choose from. And I'm a big fan of Naruto, so I'm going to click on this. And then you can click start game, and it starts playing music. And you
And
can
it also starts a timer for you on the right. And it gets rid of the start button, and it changes it to an end game button at the bottom. So when you click on it, it will end the game, and then it will show you, it will take you back to that page. Also, the button on the top left also does a wiggle animation, and the navigation on the sides, when you click on them, they do a hover effect, and most of the buttons in here, when you click on them, they do make a sound effect. So
thank you for watching.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you